look back at your memories. Did you ever wish you had a little more time in that moment? Now ask yourself, what would you do today with just one more hour? Time waits for no one. Life waits for no one. We all have to jump in head first and hope we manage our time as best we can. What if I told you there was a better way? Introducing the Laundry Butler. For the one who just needs a little more time, the Laundry Butler not only dries, but even folds and hangs all of your garments, because we could all use just a little bit more time for what's really important. Using our patented technology, you simply transfer your freshly washed clothes into the Laundry Butler main compartment. The settings are intuitive, yet customizable to fit anyone's preference. With the Butler Wear technology, you can monitor and control each session through your smart device. You wish to let the butler do the thinking? No problem. With our 10 smart settings, you can let us take it from here so you can get back to your day. If you ever wished your laundry was already hung up, wish no more. The Laundry Butler also comes equipped with our signature bifold hangers. Once your garments are dried to your preference, the Butler will individually sort and hang your laundry in your customized category. So don't let time pass you by. Visit laundrybutler.com for more details, or stop by any participating location for a free demo. The Laundry Butler. Take back your time.